Welcome to Pro Electrical Solutions. In this video we will see how a 5-pin DC relay works. What is the difference between a 4-pin and a 5-pin relay? A 4-pin relay only works as a single switch, while a 5-pin relay can do a lot of work. In a 4-pin relay, the coil is energized by 85 and 86, while 30 and 87 act as switches. Whereas in a 5-pin relay, 85 and 86 are used to energize the coil, just like a 4-pin relay. Like the 4-pin relay, it also has pins 30 and 87 for the switch. When we apply DC voltage to 85 and 86, the coil gets energized and the connection of pin number 30 and 87 gets established. When the relay is off, pin number 30 is connected to terminal 87A. '87A is generally used in vehicles for dim or full connection of headlights and for high and low speed of radiator fan. There is a separate video on my channel about wiring the headlights and using a 5-pin relay in it, but I will also make a small diagram here to explain it to you. When we turn on the lights with the combination switch, the line goes to pin number 30 and the direct low beam through 87A turns on. And when we turn on the high beams with the combination switch, when the relay turns on, the current goes from 87A to 87 and our high beams turn on. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video.